ni máa béèrè èrè ayọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ láyé lówùúrọ̀ ọ̀sán pẹ̀lú alẹ́ mi o èrè ayọ̀ kó máa wá mi rí láyé. Ẹ máa wò kẹ́ máa fi ṣègbádùn Bisi Ológe show. Ètò ni ó dáa bàjẹ́ ó dáa gidigidi gan. Ẹ máa wò ẹ gbádùn ẹ̀ ó dá mi lójú guarantee ni.
Fellow countrymen and women, I am doing this video just to clarify the outburst by Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of Labour Party yesterday. It was not provoked. I was sitting far opposite the top seat where they were sitting. I didn't mention his name, and I was really surprised to see that type of outburst from a presidential candidate. Is that the type of president he's going to make? Just taking on people and showing unpresidential characteristics. The way he acted yesterday was he rather called me out because there was no way. I didn't do anything. I didn't call his name. Where I was sitting, there's nothing I would have said that Obi would have heard. And there was nothing. I didn't do anything. So that outburst is unwarranted, very unpresidential, unacceptable of a leader. A leader must be matured. One who wants to govern this country must be accommodating, must have a lot of patience, must have perseverance. These are basic characteristics of leadership anywhere in the world. You want to be president of Nigeria and you are reacting in such a manner in public. This one will slap ADC for office as president. So I want to clear the air that there was nothing. I didn't do anything to him. He was so provoked and so carried away by the performance of Governor Okowa that he was saying that somebody outside is from ANPP. Does that make any sense? Is there any party like ANPP in Nigeria today? ANPP collapsed in 2014 when they all amalgamated and merged together to form APC. But he was so disorganized, so disoriented that he was saying that the person out there is from ANPP. Is there any party like ANPP in Nigeria today? Next time when you want to go for a debate, be as calm as Governor Okowa. Be as calm as the PDP vice presidential candidate. But that was very unpresidential, and I deserve, a serious apology. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.